Scorpions. They have ZRs, autocar ZRs. They have Peterbilt hard boxes with tippers. But they, oh gosh, city bus got towed. But they do have, he's getting on the freeway, huh? They do have, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the city has Peterbilt and Autocar Scorpions. And then I know Waste Management has Mack trucks, but Edco doesn't have Mack trucks. Edco has Peterbilt, Volvos, and Autocars is what they mainly use, and they mainly use Sidewinders, Expediers, Rotopacks, Trinity MSLs, Bridgeports, Rapid Rails, that kind of stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. And Edco has some very weird repainted trucks from Express Waste and Daily Disposal now. Bye.
You want to drive